Hi everyone, my name is Adam Royman with Origin PC, and in this video, I'll introduce you to the newest addition to our Millennium line of desktops, the Corsair 5000T desktop case with the new Corsair LC100 case accent lighting panels. When modern design meets exceptional performance, you get the Millennium 5000T. The Origin PC team strives to not only provide incredible performance, but also provide the highest caliber of service. This begins when we monitor every system built from start to finish. As one of our most popular award-winning PCs, it's no surprise that it also comes equipped with the highest quality hardware. We're happy to announce the newest Millennium 5000T. Corsair's newest case features expansive lighting, a unique contour design, and excellent cooling compatibility. It includes removable front and roof airflow panels to maximize airflow and allow for easy maintenance. Considering the 5000T's spacious interior, it can house up to 5 SSDs and 10 120mm fans for maximum storage and cooling. The Millennium's benchmark-breaking performance is supported by up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 GPU and Intel Core i9-12900K or AMD Ryzen 9 16-core processor. Equipped with 160 RGB LEDs, if that wasn't enough, Origin PC adds even more personalization options. From the exterior design to the color of the sleeved cables, Origin PC can customize it your way. Another cool optional add-on is Corsair's latest product, the Corsair iCUE LC100 case accent lighting panels. This mini triangle starter kit lights up your PC case with 9 interconnected mini RGB lighting panels configurable in nearly endless custom layouts to further complement the beauty of your new PC. When you choose to include a Corsair iCUE LC100 case accent lighting panel, the Origin PC team handles all of the wiring of your new PC and includes the lighting triangles inside the accessory box, giving you full control over your system's appearance and lighting. Thanks for checking out the newest Millennium 5000T and the new Corsair LC100 case accent lighting panel. Be the first to learn more about future Origin PC product launches, future PC giveaways, and more by following us at Origin PC across all social platforms, and I'll see you next time.